Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by enabling Personal Vault because it creates a secure container for sensitive files. Open OneDrive and sign in, then go straight to Settings and choose Personal Vault. Follow the verification prompts. Microsoft requires two-step verification or an ID method. This prevents unauthorized access. Once done, Personal Vault appears in your file list. Make sure you complete verification now. Otherwise, you can't add protected files. You're creating the security boundary that enforces an additional authentication layer on top of your account. Now focus on adding and organizing content inside the vault so it's usable and secure. Upload files via add right arrow files or folders, or drag and drop on desktop. On mobile, enable camera autosave to scan receipts and documents directly. Create a small folder structure and use clear file names so you can find things fast. Tags help too. Once files are in, the vault locks automatically after an activity, so you won't forget to secure them. Make sure to back up originals if you need long-term archival versus vault-only storage. Finish by mastering access, locking, and recovery so you don't lose control. The vault auto-locks after a timeout, and you can lock it manually from the vault menu whenever needed. Use Microsoft account recovery options and add a recovery email or phone now because that's your fallback if two-step verification fails. If you encounter sign-in problems, don't panic. Start account recovery and have your ID and two-step details ready. This speeds up verification. One key troubleshooting tip. Check that device time/date is correct, since misset clocks break authentication.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.